A bond is a debt security that represents a loan made by an investor to a borrower, typically a corporation or government entity. When an investor purchases a bond, they are essentially lending money to the borrower and receiving interest payments in return. Bonds are typically issued for a set period of time, known as the term or maturity, and can range from a few months to several years. At the end of the term, the borrower repays the principal amount of the bond to the investor. Bonds are considered a lower-risk investment compared to stocks, as they offer a fixed income stream and are typically less volatile. However, the risk associated with bonds can vary depending on factors such as the creditworthiness of the borrower, the term of the bond, and the prevailing interest rates at the time of issuance. There are several different types of bonds, including corporate bonds. These bonds are issued by corporations and typically offer higher yields than government bonds, but also carry a higher risk of default. Government bonds. These bonds are issued by government entities and are considered to be lower risk, as the borrower is typically a national government with a strong credit rating. Municipal bonds. These bonds are issued by local government entities, such as cities or states, and are typically used to fund public works projects. They offer tax benefits to investors, but also carry a higher risk of default compared to government bonds. High-yield bonds, also known as junk bonds. These bonds offer higher yields but are considered high risk due to their lower credit rating. Investors may choose to invest in bonds as part of their overall investment strategy, with a goal of generating a steady stream of income through interest payments. Bond prices can fluctuate based on prevailing interest rates, with bond prices typically decreasing as interest rates rise and increasing as interest rates fall. A bond represents a debt security that is issued by a borrower and purchased by an investor. Bonds offer a fixed income stream and are typically less volatile than stocks, but carry varying degrees of risk depending on the borrower and the prevailing interest rates. Investors may choose to invest in bonds as part of their overall investment strategy, with the goal of generating income and managing risk within their portfolio.